Today we perform the practical number 1. Draw different electrical symbol using drawing instrument as per IS 1032. The question is how to learn electrical symbol before drawing. In case of electrical installation and circuit, it may be very difficult to draw the drawing and write the name of electrical components and instrument. Thus, the graphical symbol are used to indicate the electrical equipments and component. If you don't have the knowledge about electrical symbol, you can't read this electrical drawing. So it is must to have the knowledge about various electrical symbol before drawing. Then we can see various type of electrical symbol. See, these are the various types of symbol which can be used in electrical drawing. See, this is the wiring symbol, then switches, socket outlets, lightning fixtures, electrical appliances, indicating instruments, then rotating machine, alternating machine, DC machine, synchronous machine, induction motor, synchronous converter, transformer, induction regulator. These are the electronic symbols. Okay. Symbols for complete semiconductor devices. Graphical symbol of electronic tube and walls. Anode. Igniting electrode. Example of electronic tube. Okay, these are the various type of electrical symbol. Out of that we can draw few most important symbol in our first practical. See, these are the various types of symbol which can used in electrical drawing. Okay, first the cell. A cell provides electrical energy to push electron around a circuit and create current. Okay, at the large side of cell is the positive side and the smaller side of the cell is the negative side. Second symbol is the battery. It's a collection of cells joined together in series with the negative end of the one cell connected to the positive end to the next. It provides a large amount of electrical energy to push the electron around a circuit and produces bigger current. This is the closed switch and it allows an electrical current to flow. It is an open switch which stops electrical current from flowing. This is the voltmeter. Measure voltage. It's sometimes called potential difference. It's just a circle with the V in it. Okay. This is the ammeter. Measure current. It's just a circle with an A in it. It's a fixed resistor. Resistor restrict the flow of electrical current. It's just a rectangle. It is the variable resistor. You can change the size of the resistance so you can make the electrical current bigger or smaller. To draw the electrical symbol, just draw a rectangular like a fixed resistor, but then put an arrow through it on an angle. V is the variable. This is the bulb. Bulb or lamp are designed to convert electrical energy into light energy. It's just a circle with the cross in the middle. This symbol, which is a circle with an ohm sign in the middle, which is relevant because bulbs have got high resistance and heat up so much that they glow and give up light. Motors convert electrical energy into kinetic energy. This symbol is just a circle with an M in the middle. A diode allows current the only flow in the forward direction. This is the arrow point in which where the current can flow with the blocker at the front to stop the current flow in the backwards. Thermistors are used as a heat sensor. They are resistors that changes their resistance as the temperature changes. This is the LDR, and LDR is an light sensor. It's a resistor that changes its resistance when the light changes. The last symbol is the fuse. The fuse causes a break-in circuit if an electrical appliance becomes faulty and causes too much current to flow. The fuse is a thin wire inside a small glass casing.